Hello everyone, welcome back to our NEBOSH IGC series. In our last video, we explored critical role of directors and senior managers in ensuring workplace safety. Today, we're diving into shared responsibilities of joint occupiers of premises. Let's get started. So, what happens when two or more employers share a workplace? Imagine a scenario: two companies operate within the same office building. One deals with heavy equipment while the other manages IT services. The risks created by one can significantly impact the other. This is where the concept of shared responsibility comes into play. According to international standards like ILO Conventions C155 and Recommendation R164, when multiple organizations operate simultaneously in the same workplace, they must collaborate to maintain health and safety standards. This means communicating effectively, sharing relevant information about risks, developing joint policies and procedures. For example, a multi-story office building occupied by 10 different businesses. Here's how collaboration can work effectively. 1. Each employer provides details about the specific risks their business might create. 2. A building management committee is set up with regular meetings to discuss safety concerns. 3. Together, they develop common policies for fire safety, emergency responses, and even traffic management. But it doesn't stop there. Sometimes businesses need to share risk assessments, especially when one organization's activities could directly impact others. For example, if one company uses solvent-based paints, the fumes could affect personnel from a neighboring office. Sharing this information helps coordinate activities and ensure everyone's safety. Now, let's consider a unique example. Imagine an agency working with violent offenders shares a building with unrelated businesses. The risks associated with the agency's work require special precautions that other businesses in the building need to understand and integrate into their safety measures. In summary, collaboration between joint occupiers of a workplace isn't just a recommendation. It's a necessity. It ensures that risks are managed holistically, making the workplace safer for everyone. That's it for today's lesson. And remember, safety isn't just a policy, it's a culture. See you next time.